Hey everyone, welcome back to Honest Straight Review, where I give you the truth straight to the point. In today's video, I'll be reviewing ProvaDent, a dental probiotic supplement designed to improve oral health, fresh breath, and gum wellness. Does it really work? Should you buy it? Watch till the end and discover the facts. So what is ProvaDent? It's an oral probiotic chewable tablet that promotes a balanced oral microbiome using a unique formula. 4 specific oral probiotic strains: organic xylitol for cavity prevention, cranberry extract, and purple carrot powder, rich in antioxidants. It's marketed to help reduce bad breath, gum inflammation, and plaque, supporting overall dental wellness. Here's what stood out. Contains safe, natural ingredients with clinical support. No harsh chemicals or stimulants. It's vegan-friendly and made in a USA GMP-certified facility. Supports a healthy oral microbiome by targeting harmful bacteria like Streptococcus mutans while encouraging beneficial strains. Many users report noticeably fresher breath, stronger gums, less sensitivity, and even reduced plaque after a few weeks. Reviews average 4.89 to 5 across over 1,000 users, backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee and free shipping on multi-bottle orders. However, there are a few downsides. Results take time. Most users see meaningful changes after several weeks, not an instant fix. Dr. Violetta Malian. Only available through the official website, no Amazon or retail sales, so beware of potential fakes. A few users mention mild initial discomfort or delay in results, though these are rare. So, is ProvaDent worth it? In my opinion, yes, if you're seeking a natural way to improve oral health, reduce bad breath, and support gum strength. It's especially helpful for those who struggle with sensitivity or plaque buildup and want a supplementary option to brushing and flossing. I'd rate it 4 out of 5 stars. Strong science-backed formula with high user satisfaction, though with moderate expectations around timeline and price. If this review helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest reviews, and comment your experience or questions below. The official purchase link is in the description. Only buy from there to ensure authenticity and the money-back guarantee. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next review.